this is I never really knowing what I wanted to do. I was and have always been very clueless. I didn't have any subjects where I was like extremely good at and everything. I was kind of like okay at everything. And then at the end of high school, I guess, I got to the point where I had to apply for university, so I had to choose something. I got to the very end and I was like, I still don't know what I want to do. Some subject that I was the least bad at, which was chemistry at that point in time. I still think about this every now and then because chemistry that I learned in high school was very different from me really well, even more than I did in high school. In that case, it was, yeah, I chose chemistry to do an undergrad. I had never stepped into the lab before. The first time was in Oxford. So it was all very new. And I had the same thing coming up to my DPhil as well. Got to the end of my undergrad degree, still don't know what I wanted to do with my life, but was kind of looking here and there. I joined research a little bit. I applied, got, really good opportunities to, yeah, for example, stay in Oxford. It was very much the same when I got to the job as well. I got to my PhD, still don't know what I want to do. And I feel like talked about so much. Like I don't, when I was looking around me at each of these major points, everyone seemed to know exactly what they want to do, right? And they had like all this thing planned out for the rest of their life. And here I was being really clueless. I'm like, I don't really know what I want to do. I don't know what I'm good at doing. But I think something that has kind of made this process easier or like helped me throughout the process, make sure he's like not being the one to say no, that like I'm not going to get an opportunity because I didn't apply for it. So let the company decide, let the university decide, like always try apply for things, apply for undergrad, that sort of thing, apply for PhD program or whatever it might be, like just making sure that I wasn't the one that was stopping myself from getting these opportunities if I didn't, try for it and stuff. So I actually was almost not going to go to university at all. That was before I started at Oxford. So, it was a very, this was definitely not part of the plan. This was definitely something I did not see coming before I had applied to university. More people around me don't have degrees than do. So sometimes it was just, lack of access, right? Like I just didn't know what was out there. I didn't know what the options were. I know definitely don't let yourself stop you from, if you don't try for something, you will never get that one. And it's really hard when you're in the situation. It's something I have definitely learned over and over again.